Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can order from the Joom app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Joom app. On the bottom, on the second icon, if you tap on it, here you will have the categories. For example, I choose beauty, makeup, and let's say I like these brushes. Tap on the bottom on this red button, and here you will have some other options. Yes, I would like in pink, and tap again on this red button on the bottom. And here you can see I already have a shoe in my cart, and tap on the last button, buy for 25 euros and 45 cents. And here you can select if you would like to have a delivery, a home delivery, or you would like to have from the post office. And after you added that option, you have to give your address. Tap on add address. After you added your address, here you have to give you your country, state, city, address, postal code, and you have to select a payment. You have to prepay. Let's select a credit card, or you can pay by Google Pay or PayPal. And if you scroll down here, you will have your total price, and on the bottom you just tap on order, and you order these items and you paid. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.